Hello everyone. Now I am going to discuss about degeneracy of energy levels. Degeneracy of energy levels. Degeneracy of energy levels. Very important question for competitors and also semester exam. So must question is degeneracy of energy levels. So first of all, kindly please like my videos and subscribe my channel. So now I am going to talk about degeneracy of energy levels. Before going into this, just you should know, we will discuss energy of 1D box, 2D box and 3D box. 3D box energy we will discuss. So 1D box energy is generally E is equal to what? N square h square by 8 ml square. So 2D box already I discussed, h square by 8 ml square. In place of n square you should write 2 axis. So 2 axis means nx square plus ny square you should write. So here if I will talk about 3D box energy, so E is equal h square by 8 ml square you should write. So here 3 axis, 3D means nx square plus ny square plus nz square you should write. Nz square. So these are the energies. So first I am going to discuss about one by one. So first you should start with 1D box. 1D box, right? 1D box means only one axis, either it is x or y or z. So first I am going to take here n is equal to 1, that is ground state. N is equal to 2, first excited state. N is equal to 3, second excited state. N is equal to 4, like this you will get. So what is the formula? Energy formula is what? N square h square by 8 ml square. So in place of n, that is 1 is there. So 1 square is 1, h square by 8 ml square. This energy level is h square by 8 ml square. N is equal to 2 means what? So 4h square by 8 ml square. So n is equal to 3, 9h square by 8 ml square. So n is equal to 4. What is the n is equal to 4? 16h square by 8 ml square. So use of this is, so you can write the difference between the energy levels. So you can, for example, the question may be like that. So difference between the energy of first excited state and ground state is what? Ground state is what? Difference between the first excited state is what? 4h square by 8 ml square you should write. So difference is minus. Ground state is what? H square by 8 ml square. So that is what you should write. 8 ml square is the, so that is LCM. 4h square minus h square is 3h square. This is the answer. So questions may be like this. The energy difference is what? 3h square by 8 ml square. Here what is the energy difference? So that is what? 9 minus 4. That is what? 5h square by 8 ml square. Here what is the energy? 7h square by 8 ml square. 7h square by 8 ml square. So actually the space is, if for example you should write like this, the space for, so this is the 3h square, this is the 5h square, the space is more. As increases the n value, space is increases. Just that is the concept. So that is about 1D box energy. The questions may be like this. First you should write just only 1D box. This is the energy. The degeneracy is only 1. So 1 is possible. Degeneracy means, so first you should write the definition of degeneracy. Definition of degeneracy I will write here first. So what is the degeneracy? If there are more than one state is possible. So first you should write the definition. If there are more than one state is possible. If there are more than one state is possible, more than one state is possible, state is possible having same energy, possible having same energy you should write. If there are more than one state, so that means we will discuss next. There are more than one state is possible having the same energy, that means the state with equal energy is called, degeneracy. Equal energy is called degeneracy. equal energy is called degeneracy. Degeneracy should write. Degeneracy should write. So this is the definition. If there are more than one state is possible having the same energy, that means the state with what? The state with having the same energy, that is the state with having the equal energy is called the degeneracy should write. So for 2D box we will discuss the energy. For 2D box we will discuss the energy. What is the energy for 2D box? 2D box. So that is what? E is equal to h square by 8ml square nx square plus ny square. Ny square. I will write here. Right. N is equal to 1 ground state, n is equal to 2 first excited state, second excited state, so on. Right. So n is equal to 1 means, so you should write the possibilities here. In x axis along 1 you should take, y axis 1 you should take. You will get 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 means you will get what? 1 square plus 1 square, that is what? 2h square by 8ml square. 8ml square. So in second possibility I am going to take 1 2. So if I will take x place is 1, y place is 2 you can take. So what you will get? 5h square by 8ml square. So two possibilities are there, 1 x and y, right? So x is 1, y is 2. You can also take x is 2, y is 1. You can also write both are same, right? 2 comma 1. So 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4. So that is what? 1 plus 4 is 5h square by 8ml square. So if you take 2 comma 1 also same. That is what? 2 square is 4 plus 1 5h square. So two possibilities is there. 1 2 is one possibility, 2 1 is one possibility. The degeneracy here g is equal to 2. So degeneracy is representation with g. Degeneracy is g. The degeneracy is this is 1, this is 2. Here this is g is equal to 1. This g is equal to 1 is called non-degenerate state, right? So if I will take next only two possibilities, so 2h square 5h square. If I will take next, for example 1 3, if I will take, that is what? 1 square plus 3 square is 10 you will get. So before 10 one possibility is there. If both are 2, 2 square plus 2 square is 4, that is what? 8h. Sequence order you should take. Don't write 10 first. So here first you will get 8h square by, so 8ml square you will get. So here possibilities are 2 comma 2. So either x may be 2, x y if I will take 2 2. So both are same, only it is non-degenerate. Degeneracy is g is equal to 1 you will get. So next possibility 1 comma 3 if you will take. So x is 1, y is 3. So one possibility, x you can take 3, y is 1. So two possibilities, 1 3 are 3 1. So that is what is the possibility? 9 plus 1, 10h square by 8ml square. So same questions generally they will repeat. What is the degeneracy of first excited state in 2D box? So that is what? N is equal to 2. So two possibilities, degeneracy is 2 you will write. So what is the, so they will ask, what is the second excited state degeneracy in 2D box? That is what? Only one possibility is there, that degeneracy is 1, that is non-degenerate you should write. This is about 2D box. Generally 2D box is not there in the syllabus, but even though it is not there in the syllabus, you should know this concept. So next 3D box we will discuss. So questions may be like this. So the energy differences between the phi and so that is what? First excited state and ground state is what? 2 minus 1 is 3. That is what? Phi here, 5 minus 2 is 3. Here you will get again 3. Here you will get 2. So the energy is difference is changed. So next, very very important for competitive exams and semester exams. So the energy degeneracy of 3D levels, 3D box, right? 3D box, very very simple and easy. N is equal to 1, N is equal to 2. So next, N is equal to 3. So 3 means, that means you should write first possibility. I am going to write 1 comma 1 comma 1. First you should write energy is equal to what? H square by 8ml square into nx square plus ny square plus nz square, right? So 1 plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, only you will get here the energy is 3h square by 8ml square. 3h square by 8ml square. So that means that degeneracy is G is equal to 1, you will get. G is equal to 1. Here next possibility is I am going to take 1 comma 1 comma 2. So that means x, y, z is there. So first possibility is 1 1 1 I took, but second possibility is 1 1 2. So the chances may be 1 2 1. So 2 1 1. How many possibilities? 3 possibilities. 1 1 2. Next is 2 1 1. Next is 1 2 1. 3 possibilities is there. So that is, here you should write 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is again 1. 2 square is 4. What is the energy? 6. 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 is 6. 6h square by 8ml square you will get. 8ml square. Right. Next energy is, what is the next possibility? So if I will write 1 1 3, for example, if I will write 1 1 3, if I will write 1 plus 3 square is 9. 9 10 11 you will get. 11 you will get. Right. But if I will take 2 2 2, otherwise 1 2 2 I will take 1 2 2. 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is 4. I will get 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9 you will get. 9h square by 8ml square. What are the choices? Possibilities are 1 comma 2 comma 2. So one more possibility, 2 comma, in now 1 is middle, 2 comma 1 comma 2. Next possibility is 2 comma 2 comma 1 you will get. 3 possibilities you will get. So next energy n is equal to 4 you should write. So next is next possibility. So if I will take 1 1 3, so that you will get 11, already we discussed. If I will take 2 2 2, 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is 4. So here 12 you will get. So now you should take 1 1 3. Possibility is 1 1 3. So you should write 1 comma 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1 comma 1. Next 1 3 1. 1 3 1 you should write. So possibility is 11h square by 8ml square you should write. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 9 is 11. Next possibility I am going to take 2 2 2. So here also same 3 possibilities. Degeneracy is 3. Here degeneracy is 3. Degeneracy is 3. So if I will take 2 2 2, if you take x, y, z all are 2, so you will get only one possibility, that is here n is equal to 5 means degeneracy is only 1, that is non-degenerate. Here you will get 2 square, that is 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, 12h square by 8ml square you will get. So next I am going to take, so 1 comma 2 comma 3, so that is what, 14h square by 8ml square. 1 2 3 possibilities is 1 2 3 I will take x, y, z. So next possibility what I will take, 1 3 2. 1 3 2 is I will take. Next possibility is what, 2 3 1 I will take. So 1 2 3. Next 1 3 2 I will take. Next 2 I am starting with 2. 2 3 1 if I will take. Otherwise I can also write 2 1 3 is one more possibility. So next possibility is 3 I am starting with 3. 3 1 2. Next is 3 2 1. If you will take 1 2 3 4 5 6 possibilities you will get. So except these 6 you will not get any. So directly n is equal to 1 2 3 means degeneracy is G is equal to 6. Very very important. So they will give the question 14h square by 8ml square. So directly, so generally questions I will explain how the questions will asked in the examination. So possibilities are this 1 2 3 1 3 2 2 3 1 2 1 3 3 1 2, different possibilities. So if you observe, so this is generally competitive exams question or semester, directly they will give this energy for 3D box. What is the degeneracy they will ask. So what are the degeneracies? 1 2 3 3 1 2, like this you should write. So if you observe clearly, x y z concept is x is equal to y is equal to z, all are equal, degeneracy is only one. Degeneracy is only one. If x or y or z, if any two are equal, x is equal to y, so then not equal to z, otherwise you should write x, y not equal to z if you will write. So that means x, y same or y, z something, any two are same, one is different, the degeneracy is 3. This is the shortcut. Next, if all are different, x is not equal to y not equal to z, if all are different, degeneracy is 6. This is the shortcut. This is a shortcut for all this. So generally they will ask the energy difference for ground state, first excited state, so second excited state to first excited state. If they will ask the questions, that questions we will discuss it in the application of the spectra, that is we will discuss in the later concept. So all this is about degeneracy of energy levels. So I am going to explain some concept that is not there in the syllabus, but it is useful for the competitive exam. They asked in the CSIR 4 marks exam in I think December 2020 or something, whatever the exam, but they asked for 4 marks. The question they given, energy is equal 27 h square by 8 ml square. So here in 3D box they asked the question, degeneracy G is equal to what? Option A is 3, option B is 1, option C is 4, option D is 2. You should write 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the question. So what you will take? 27 means you should take 27 nx square plus ny square plus nz square. That value should be equal to 27. What is the possibilities you will get? What are the possibilities? So most of the people they will write 1, 1, 5. So already you can say directly x is 1. So any two are same, one is different, degeneracy is equal to 3 you will write. So we will write 1, 1, 5, next 5, 1, 1, next 1, 5, 1. Except from this, any additional is there or not. Most of they will click only degeneracy is 3, but the answer is not 3. What is the answer? One more possibility is there. So the possibility is, one more possibility, 3, 3, 3. Here you will get equal energy, all these are in the line. 1, 1, 5, next 5, 1, 1, next 1, 5, 1, next 3, 3, 3. 3 square 9, 3 square 9 plus 9 plus 9. So 27. This is degeneracy is only 1. So this is non-degenerate. This is degeneracy is 3. Total degeneracy is 4 you should write. The answer is 4. This type of tricky questions asked in the competitive exams like SET exam and CSIR exams. Generally they will ask this type of questions. So in next session we will discuss about calculation using the wave function orthogonality rule. We will discuss. If you like my video, so kindly subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you very much.